Lobster. Lobsters are large crustaceans, which means they are related to shrimp. Dolphin. Dolphins are mammals that are part of toothed whale family. Crab. A crab is a stubby sea creature with a flat body, 8 legs and claws. Walrus. Walrus are large, flipper-footed marine mammals. Penguin. Penguins are flightless birds that live in the southern hemisphere and are adapted for life in the ocean. Frog. Frogs are tailless amphibians with smooth, moist skin, bulging eyes, and strong webbed hind feet. Octopus. Octopus are marine mollusks and invertebrates with 8 arms, bulbous head, and large eyes. Sea turtle. Sea turtles, also known as marine turtles, are large reptiles that live in tropical and subtropical seas. Shark. Sharks are a type of fish with skeleton made of cartilage rather than bone. Fish. Fish are aquatic vertebrates that have gills, fins, and a backbone. Crayfish. Crayfish, also known as crawdads, are small lobster-like crustaceans.